In today's video, we will talk about how to make your phone flash when you receive a notification. Watch the video until the end to learn how to enable this feature and more. Setting up flash notifications can be done through your phone's settings. For those using Android 14, you can enable flash notifications from the notification settings. On older operating systems, this feature is found under Accessibility Settings. To enable flash notifications on Android 14, open the Settings app and go to Notifications. Navigate to the Flash Notifications section and click on it. Then, flip the camera flash switch on. For older operating systems, open Settings and select Accessibility. Go to the Hearing section and toggle on Flash Alerts. If you can't find this option, you can download a third-party app. Third-party apps like Flash Alerts can enable this feature on your smartphone. Download them from the Play Store and activate flash notifications for incoming calls and texts. Some of these apps allow you to customize the blinking patterns, while others let you change the duration. Follow these steps to make your phone flash when you get a notification. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.